the incarcerated population was left unguarded. There were people from other unions, people who work in healthcare, and the commissary, who were left unprotected by these actions. We need them back to work. This must end immediately.
Governor Kathy Hochul addressing the ongoing strike of corrections officers, claiming the illegal work stoppage is putting the entire state at risk. Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us tonight. That statement comes as the state's case against hundreds of corrections officers was in court just today.
And the state wants a judge to put an end to this illegal strike, saying it violates the Taylor Act. Workers have been on the picket line now for 9 days, calling for better working conditions along with an end to the state's HALT Act. Meanwhile, the state says 6,500 members of the National Guard have been deployed to corrections facilities across the state to fill in for those who walked off the job.
7 News reporter Derek Heid has been following this strike since the very beginning and is back at Attica Correctional tonight, getting reaction from the picket line to what the governor had to say earlier today.
Here at Attica Correctional, workers are on day 9 of their illegal strike going against New York State's Taylor law. But still nearly a week and a half into these protests, Governor Kathy Hochul still seems confused about what these people want.
We want to find out what the issue is, because the individuals who've walked out in an unsanctioned strike, unapproved by the union, have yet to tell us the issues.
You know, what is your reaction to what the governor said?
Do you really want to know what they want? Have you sent any liaison or personnel down here to inquire about what's wanted? I think it's pretty crystal clear to me what's wanted, and I'm retired. I've been retired for 8 years. These working conditions put them in a very harmful and dangerous situation and circumstance.
And many of the other active COs who are choosing not to speak say it's as simple as the governor just driving by and reading the signs. Repeal HALT, end the HALT Act, repeal HALT. A clear message on the sign outside of Attica Correctional. Reminder, New York State's HALT Act limits solitary confinement use in prisons.
And when consequences are minimized, then you recognize it puts the officers in a situation of danger.
We suspended parts of the HALT Act, so we have taken steps to calm the situation down, provide them what we're able to provide.
There's no temporary. That HALT Act has to be repealed.
Amidst this back and forth with the governor, day 2 of mediation meetings started between the Corrections Officers Union NYSCOBA and the state. I'm told the union is hoping to negotiate a deal that would convince their members to go back to work. Otherwise, attorneys representing the state said in court Tuesday, if mediation talks break down, the governor may call to charge people with breaking the state's Taylor law and ignoring a judge's order to stop the strike. Already, more than 300 COs have been listed in this ongoing court case.
I think we'll be out here continually until it's resolved.
They're being served by state police as we speak. This is in violation of law.
I'm told those mediation meetings will go through the night if needed. Derek Heid, 7 News, Attica.